Began in 1912, continues on to today from the Hollywood classics we all grew up with to the biggest blockbusters of all time. Sunshine here on our lot. Also on the left, you're going to see some construction happening there. We're very excited that the construction's underway for a new roller coaster based on Universal Pictures blockbuster Fast and Furious film franchise.
I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it was great to have you along for the ride. Now, we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses.
Look at the Blues Brothers.
To Jurassic Park.
Around here in Jurassic Park, you're seeing some of the step pieces, props, picture cars featured in Steven Spielberg's Jurassic Park and The Lost World Jurassic Park, like the bubble wrap autograph is featured in The Lost World.
Oh, I remember the scene in there, yeah.
That's that case on the bridge.
Now, the only thing you're not going to see around here today are dinosaurs. Why? Because dinosaurs are extinct, okay? Oh, no. Look at everybody outside! Harrison Ford. Now, folks, don't forget, this is a movie studio, and what we see here, that is a movie set. And that, my friends, is movie thunder. How do we create movie thunder? Big lights hidden from the cameras, add a little sound effect, voila, movie thunder. How about the movie rain? The movie rain falls out of sprinklers that are hidden from the cameras, a Hollywood illusion. Director, I know how to take care of this. There it is. Take pictures of that shark that they caught. Make sure you post those pictures on whatever social media you're on right now, all right? Let everyone know they caught it. Oh, no. What's that? No, don't take pictures of the swimming shark. We don't want that on any social media. You hear me? None. Wait a minute. Who? What? Was created for War of the Worlds. Other productions have shot there throughout the years. And Universal has been fortunate to work with generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock.
I'm in the hundreds.
Hey, it's me, Krusty! Congratulations! The line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is.
Everything is for real. You're gonna get good luck. You're gonna get good luck too.
This is a motion simulator involving sudden and extreme movement. Expectant mothers and individuals with heart, back, or neck conditions, abnormal blood pressure, or those prone to motion sickness or dizziness are advised not to ride this attraction. For your safety, please remain seated, hold on to the lap restraint, and keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Please supervise children.
Greatest plan ever created. There's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. I'm going to lead all you strays through the city. But we got to hurry. The adoption day is going to be over soon. Plus, Molly's going to be home and I can out. We're supposed to have a tea party.
No, because you don't have a leg to stand on. No! Yes! All right, Dig in the Water World, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny. Hey, Deacon! Hey, what?
You did the whole thing. No.
You opened the bed.
I thought I won.
Oh, you can walk. You don't have to take the escalator. is the end of a wonderful day here at Universal Studio. This is the one ride that you don't get in Mario Kart or Mario World. You don't get to use the Express Pass for. So this morning when we were here, there were a lot of people in line and it said it was gonna be a 90-minute wait. And because we did get the Express Pass, knowing we're only here for one day, we made the decision to just go to the other rides that we could use the Express Pass, which really saved a lot of time. It was worth it. Now the park closes in a little bit more than an hour, and there's about an hour wait for this ride, so I think we're here. Maybe we went the wrong way. This is like, you're right, I don't think this is the right way. All right, we found our way in the right area. They had we were going a place that we didn't even have to go because the line was not as long, that they needed that extra section. So now we're in the right line, and the park says it closes at 7, and the thing says this is a 75-minute wait. So I'm not sure if they just let you go out of the park, you know, maybe between 7 and 7:30, or they will just decide when they're gonna stop allowing people on the ride based on knowing that you could get through. It's probably, maybe it's less than 75 minutes, so that's why they let us in. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to be doing this one at the end of the day. That popped out of there. Is it tickety-tow?